When you think cheese pizza, you think the purest, basic, most organic, delicious recipe known to man, and probably the first. You also probably think Italy, but you'd be wrong, because it was actually invented by two American brothers with the last name Papa. Now these brothers, also named John and Murphy, got in a huge fight and eventually split ways. Why did they get in a huge fight? Because one wanted a 2-cheese blend and one wanted a 3-cheese blend for their cheese pizza. Now the Italians were actually trying to get them to get into a fight so they could swoop in and get the recipe. Where's the original recipe? I'm not sure, but I know one thing, Big Pizza doesn't want you to know, so today we're gonna make the recipe. Alright, first things first, let's start with our cheese. We want to actually get block cheese. We don't want to use bag cheese because bag cheese is a cardinal sin. And you know what they would say down in Brooklyn? Get out of here. We don't want any of that. We want block cheese. Block cheese will melt better and it'll create a superior product. Now today we're working with a little bit of Monterey Jack and a little bit of cheddar. Also, if you want to spice it up, you could use a little bit of Parmesan, freshly grated, or you can do a little bit of freshly grated mozzarella. Once you have your cheese blend all done, start to mix that together so they all get to meet and know each other, and you will have an even distribution when putting it on your pizza. Next, let's grab our dough. Work it out to the size you want. Remember to flour your countertop for easy working. Next, we're gonna add our homemade sauce. Let me know down in the comments if you think I should do a sauce video. It's quick and easy. Once we put our sauce on, we will then top with our freshly grated cheese blend and pop that into our baking machine. Once you pull the pizza out of your baking machine, let it cool down while you're grabbing your balsamic vinegar reduction. Today I'm just using a store-bought one, but any type will do. Drizzle that onto your pizza and then wash your basil. Once your basil's washed, place it on your pizza and cut it. Once you cut it, decide that everybody deserves a slice of basil. Redistribute your basil onto every slice so everybody gets some, and then taste. Alright, let's review this recipe from the Papa Brothers. Now, I think this is a delicious cheese pizza. I think everybody should have this recipe in their back pocket, and I think even the kid from Home Alone 2 would enjoy it. If you ended up making this pizza or have a different cheese blend that you like, let me know down in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe.